Tired of digital clutter? Let's transform your scattered files into a perfectly organized Dropbox universe in under 90 seconds. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. You know the drill, enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you should see your main Dropbox file view. Look for the plus icon or a button that says Create a Circumflex Euros. It's usually located at the top of the page. Click on that. A small menu will pop up from here. Select the folder option. This is our gateway to creating a brand new organized space for your files. Now, a text box will appear asking you to name your new folder. Think about what you want to store here. For example, you could type Work Documents, Vacation Photos, or Digital Art. I'm going to name mine My New Projects to Illustrate. Hit Enter or click the Create button, and just like that, your new folder appears in your Dropbox. You can see it right there in your list of files and folders. To start populating it, simply click on your new folder. To open it, you'll see an Upload button. Click that. Choose the files you want to add from your computer, and they'll be safely stored in your organized online space. Repeat this process to create as many folders as you need. You can create folders within folders for even more granular organization. This simple step will bring sanity to your digital life, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Happy organizing!